We have 2 packs left. Go. Is that upside down?
Yeah.
Huh.
What do you mean by that?
Why was it upside down?
That is weird. I don't know. But fire.
Fire.
Erica's Bellsprout.
Bellsprout.
It kind of looks like that one game where they would shoot those things out of their mouth. Do you know?
Plants vs. Zombies?
Rotom. That one's pretty.
Rotom?
Yeah, sure. T-Peg.
Tepeg.
Ooh, cute little panda. Pancham. I don't like it. Dustox.
Dustox, bad.
Pignite.
Pignite.
Team Rocket's Proton. Sparkly Gold. Meditite. You don't know what that is?
Nope. Oh, I do.
Hops Trevenant.
Is it cool?
It's a tree.
Tree.
Ionos Kilowattrel.
She nailed that one, chat. All right.